What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out. Gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, we're only going to be using one account of My Lead Gen Secrets. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, but we're only going to be using one account to kind of show you like the beginner that this works, this product works promoting, just with minimal effort, and can get you to making money online with your first steps into it anyway. Some of you may make more than me, some of you may make less than me. I'm just showing you that this works for me really well, guys. So anyway, guys, if you're interested in following along, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell. All the links in the description below. Let's get started. Alright, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting this particular product, the $25 all-in-one digital business. Essentially, the main reason why I like promoting it is because it has an affiliate system, which is 80% recurring income with some products. Some products are recurring, some products are not, but it has 80% recurring income with the products with two products that the $25 business promotes. Okay, guys? So you get paid every single month 80%. That's insanity. All right, that's so good. So that's why I like promoting it in particular. All right, so let's look at our results here. We're going to refresh the page, make sure they're real results. Don't believe the results if they don't refresh the page. All right, guys. All right, it looks like we got two sales.
Nice.
All right, so we got two. Nah, I think we got one sale. One of them probably a rebuild. Either way, man, we got a sale yesterday, and that's good. That's good energy. For me, motivation. When you get sales, you get really motivated. They keep trying and stuff. And yeah, man, that's good. So we're gonna go ahead and head over to My Lead Gen Secrets here. No. Wait a minute. Before that, I want to show you exactly how to do it. So let's start there. So there's a link in my description talking about the all-in-one $25 business. All right, you click on that link, right? It'll take you to this page here. Once you get to this page here, guys, now read all you want to need to know. As you can see, you can get instant $20 or $100 monthly commissions. All right, so you can get $120 off of one person every month. You get 10 people doing that. That's $12,000. So you can make money real quick with this if you really promote it hard. I'm just showing you the bare minimum though. So anyway, guys, what you want to do, you want to click on yes I want in, whatever. It should take you to a video that properly explains what you're buying, purchasing. And you put $25 in there. You can do the trial for the $100 one. So once you do that, guys, it should take you to a page that looks similar to this right here. This top right here. When you log into the system. All right. So once you get into here, you want to go to your affiliate zone. I gotta log in real quick. Hold up. You want to go to your affiliate zone. And once you get here, you can watch the video, show you how to do everything. But all you really need to do here is sign up for the affiliate program, and you just follow the steps in that. All right, you follow the steps in that. It'll make you a SAM card and all that good stuff. And once you click that, log in the SAM card, it'll take you to this page here. And once you're on this page, you got your affiliate links. And that's how you get your affiliate link. All right, guys, for the all-in-one $25 business. Once you get that, you want to use that in My Lead Gen Secrets, right? Sign in, do all the stuff you need to do. Do not purchase master email swipes. You don't need them. All right, so go to mailing system, click on that, then click select all. Okay, and you want to load up, you want to put an email in there. Me personally, I got a bunch of emails already in here, so we're just gonna load up one. Load it up. Now, if you want to copy this email, you can. If you want to, it's a very short email. You can just pause and copy it right there. But if you're interested in just making your own emails and finding a way to make emails real quick, once you got HBA Premium up here, guys, you could click on this and it gives you an immersion magic content machine. You click on the magic content machine, you can ask it to write an email. Write a let me just pick something simple. Hey, meet me. Come here. Wait. Something like that. You could change that or whatever you want it to be. It'll quickly write a clickbait, make money online email. Those are the type of emails you want to kind of send through the system. They seem to work the best for me. I noticed very short clickbait type emails tend to work better than the longer ones. All right, see, this is a very long email. It's too long, so what you do, you pick short. Pick short right there. Email, and you can pick like with exaggerated numbers, something like that. Right? So you can change it up, and it'll upload another email like that. And you can get your emails very quick and easy. That simple, guys. Once you're in the system, you can make emails like that. All right. If you don't want to copy the emails that I wrote myself, it's very easy to get more emails. See, like this right here, make 20,000 in the next 24 hours, blah blah blah, and sign in, and stuff like that works, guys. I don't know why, but they work when it comes to this system. So we're gonna click perfect timing. Make sure you check and see your link works. That way you put your link at, by the way, my email. You know how to use emails, stuff. And you send an email, just that simple. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy to do, very quick, and very concise. All right, guys, simple. Once you get a lot of emails in there, only take you half a minute to do it. All right, guys, every day, you just do it every day, make a couple $100 extra a month. All right, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. The links are in the description below. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.